Hello everyone, welcome back to Inspired to DIY. In today's video, I share a large wall decor I made using items strictly from the dollar store. Stay tuned for the end result and let's get into it. For this project, I'll need one large circle, 12 mini circles, and 12 smaller mirrors. So to create my design, I'm using the larger circle in the middle, and I put 2 of the mini circles, and then between each of the 2 I put 1 mini circles, and that will be the design I'll be using. And to attach everything together, I'll be using mini zip ties. To begin, I started by adding zip ties between the 2 mini circles, and later on I will add zip ties to add the 1 mini circle to the larger circle. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also if you're here for the first time, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and also turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next projects. This is what we should have. We have 4 sets of 2 mini circles together, and then the remaining circles will be added individually to the larger circle. As I've previously mentioned, I'll be adding the 1 mini circle to the larger one. So at the end, we should have a large circle with 4 individual mini circle. This part will be spray paint gold, while the other one will be spray painted white. While everything is drying, I'm removing the mirrors onto their frames by removing the cardboard in the back. Repeated that step for all 12 of the mirrors, and just be careful so you don't end up popping the mirrors as well, because they are really fragile. And this is what everything's look like when they are dry out. So now, once again, using the zip ties, we're gonna make sure that everything is perfectly secured together. Zip ties alone won't hold it as secure, but down the line we'll be creating a much stronger reinforcement. And now let's go ahead and add our mirrors, and we'll do so by using a strong hot glue and putting them down in the middle of each mini circles. To create a stronger reinforcement, I'm using those mini cubes with craft stick that I'll be gluing in the back of where 2 of the mini frames meet. zip ties to secure everything down, I'll be putting mini acrylic gems in between where each of the frames meet. Turned out so beautiful. You can put it in your living room, dining room, any empty wall that you may have. I love how it turned out, and I hope you guys did too. So stay tuned for any of my next DIYs. Bye.